we're already learning. So that's so let's see how many members we are. We're at 15. Questions up front, guys. So guys, if you have any questions up front, just ask. We can cover that before we start the training session. I saw some questions about the sim. Somebody had problems with it. Just ask now, and before we start the webinar, we can go over this. I can go over this, setting the sim up, and then after that, we're gonna start the training session. So Arthur, you heard this noise also, right? This like toilet noise. I don't know what it is.
Hey, maybe that my HDMI is plugged into my TV. I'll try unplugging it right now and see if that fixes it.
Guys, I'm not gonna unmute someone. I only unmute like these two people because else the webinar is recorded. You know, will be a lot of questions. So just put your question in the chat box, and it's better for the people who are going to watch it back. You know, I'm not gonna unmute somebody. So let's see.
Hey, did that noise go away?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, it was my HDMI then.
Oh.
Hey, Kevin.
Yeah, I don't know why you were muted, man. I don't know.
Yeah, for some reason I got muted again. But yeah, you know what I was doing like a simulation yesterday.
Yeah.
Like really late, and I was using a 15 pip stop, but obviously like a fixed stop.
Yeah.
And it was just like precise entries on GJ. I was going full margin every time.
Yeah.
And even if you get stopped out at 15 pips in full margin, it's not a big deal, you know?
Yeah, it's not a big deal, exactly.
I went up from 10 grand and I made like 5 million just going full margin every time. Just you know?
That's great, man. So we're gonna try that. We're gonna try that today. The 15 pip stop loss. We're gonna try it.
Yeah, so that might be something I might implement in my real trading. Obviously not full margin,
but the 50 pip stop. Yes.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, good one, man. Thanks for sharing. I'm gonna write it down, and I'm gonna use it next week. I'm gonna put it to the test as well.
Yeah, definitely. And if you get like a really good entry on GJ, the stop should not hit.
Yeah, exactly. It's not a problem.
So, you know, in a sense, it takes away the emotional effect because you already know how much you're gonna lose if you get stopped.
Exactly. That's the best way how to get rid of emotions. Like use a stop loss and use like a TP and just let it run.
Exactly. And also another thing that I noticed is like if your entry is going to be more than a 15 pip stop, then you just pass on the trade.
Yeah, probably.
But that's just what I noticed yesterday from a simulation. And like I said, when I did get stopped out, it wasn't a big deal, you know. And I was going full margin every trade.
Yeah, we're gonna try it today. Let's see.
Uh-oh.
All right, we got 18 people. It's almost time. I think we're gonna start. Let's see, Chase. I'm already recorded it, so I'm gonna give you the host. You start with your UJ trades. I'm gonna be the voiceover, and Arthur is gonna be the voiceover. And after that, you give me the host back, and then Arthur and I'm gonna do GJ, I think.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna give you the host. All right, you can now share your screen, man.
Okay, just hit share screen.
Yeah, hit share screen, do the same. Yeah, exactly. Start sharing. Great. So let's see. Liz was asking about entries. So we'll use the UI now. And Chase, if you take like an entry, just say why you take it and why you took it, and what's your take profit, what's your stop loss, and we're going to be answering questions about the entries as well.
Okay.
You got to download it every single time over and over again, Vijay.
Do what?
Why you're downloading the history? You didn't have it?
No, I deleted it. I haven't done UJ in a while. I've been doing GJ.
Oh, no
My
problem.
bad.
So why you delete it? Because you can still like use it for the next time, you know, you don't have to delete it.
Yeah, no, yeah, I guess that's true. Yeah. No reason, just space thing, I guess.
Space thing on your i7?
Good point. Good point. Shouldn't be too long.
No. You just did 1 year, right?
Yeah, just 1 year.
Best.
O Mariusz? Już umarł ten człowiek?
Evan, if you can mute them.
Chase, can you mute them all except me and Arturo, please? Go to participants and then press mute. I don't know why they still. I think people unmute themselves, you know, while I say to them, don't.
You know what it is? I think when you first, like if you just join, you're unmuted.
Yeah, could be. Go to participants, Chase, and then press like on the person with the mic, and then press mute.
Read all?
No, not all. Just all the other people except me and.
Yeah, like Rocky and Raggy.
Yeah.
Or Reggie.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, great. Because it's bad for the webinar, man. Back noise.
It's all of them, right? I think so.
So you have to press share screen again. You can't see the simulator right now. Yeah, thank you. Almost finished. No problem.
Any preference to what account balance I should start with on the simulator?
No. Just start with 10 Gs, I think.
Yeah, 10 grand is good. And then the leverage 1 to 500.
Yeah, probably 1.0 lots. Fine for that.
Yeah.
Like five positions, I think. It's the best.
Yeah.
It's 5%, so it's great.
And if if you're a little bit, your risk is a little higher, I typically do like 1 lot per 1K.
Yeah.
So
I just do 1% in general.
I just do full margin. All right, guys, gonna start. He's gonna put the charts and then gonna do his analysis. Okay, do minute 30 also, please. Thank you. Yeah, that's fine. Great. And you know you can save this, right, Chase?
Do what?
You can save your naked chart.
Yeah. Yeah. No,
Yeah.
I accidentally started on the 5 instead of the daily. Do you mean the template?
Yeah, you can use the same template.
Yeah. My bad. I'm gonna go ahead and get more data loaded. Most obvious supply and demand.
So you do 1 hour zones or you do 4 hour zones, Chase?
I do 4 hour are the more major, and then 1 hour are the more minor, and then sometimes in between I'll do 15-minute.
All right. And so also you can copy your object right by pressing on it, and then press object in the right left corner. Then you don't have to save it.
Where?
Like if you press on your line, for example, 2 times, just on your line.
So it's dotted.
So it's dotted, and then you press on object, or the blue thing.
I don't know what you mean.
Wait. You see now how you press remote control. All right. Let's see. Like if you press on the line, what I'm doing now, and you press object,
Oh,
then clone update selected, then it goes to the other time frames as well. You see?
oh, so you don't gotta copy and paste
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, exactly. So you don't have to like do it at the same time again.
Okay,
So
oh, I see. Okay,
They have to be selected though.
yeah, they have to be selected, exactly.
okay.
So first you make every single chart the same, and then you do the same. Yes, exactly.
And on the 4-hour, I usually like to compensate for the wicks because if you go down to the lower time frame,
Yeah.
you see that it'll be just like a fake out, and I don't want to, draw a zone right here at the body and then make an entry and then get stopped out because there's a fake out.
Yeah. Just draw your zones, man, and just do your trading, and we'll see how it goes.
Okay. So if I go to charts and highlight all of the objects and then hit object right here, it'll save it.
Yeah, but do you have?
You gotta click clone.
Yeah, but like do it your way. I'm gonna explain your way like the next time. No problem. Just do it
Okay.
your way. It works for you. It works for you, man. Looks great.
Yeah. It looks like it's retesting that.
Yeah, exactly.
But either momentum is down.
Yeah, we just went bearish, and then we rejected daily resistance. We had a big pullback. Possible to go higher. We're back to bullish again, but possible this is just a big pullback, and then we go down again.
You say that one would be good to go across.
Yeah, just do your zones, man. We're watching, and we'll be doing covering the entries and something like that. Looks you're almost ready, man, bro.
Okay. One more thing. One thing I want to point out real quick is that 50 and 200 crossover right here.
Yeah, exactly. Probably is going to be a sell. Let's see. 2, 3, 4.
I think it may have been retesting that 50.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I'm gonna try and get it to a zone for a breakout. So we're in the middle of a range right now.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly, guys. You didn't take a trade because we're still in the middle of a range. Keep in mind.
What does the 1 hour look like?
Yeah, so the 1 hour. Yeah, gonna push up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look for a break of that zone up there.
Yeah, exactly. We rejected daily resistance down. Then we push up.
Yeah, and overall momentum is up pretty strong.
Yeah, we just changed from bearish to bullish by breaking. Could you put like a blue line on the high low, on the lower high? Sorry. No, but just a blue line. A line. I know. With crash road. Like guys, this is also the way how you can see we're now bullish, because look, we were bearish. Bearish means lower highs, lower lows, and this lower high right here was broken. So this is the reason why we're now aiming for buys instead of sells. We're aiming for sells when we break here again. Yeah, go on, bro.
And also that was a high traffic area and it broke it.
Yeah, exactly. It's just how you see it. You can see it as a low high. You can see it as high traffic. And,
Okay.
all right.
Go to the 15. Yeah. That could actually be a higher low right there.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, broke a bit out of consolidation. Let's see what's going on. Probably news, I think. Let's say, look if we have news. Like press the news. Yep, news. No problem. So guys, this is a good example. Like we're already trading and he hasn't taken one trade yet because there's just not a setup. So this is the reason why you should wait.
Yeah.
It's retesting that higher low structure. A lot of wicks to the downside. Still pushing up, I think. Let's see.
Maybe testing the 200. But it's a pretty big test.
that right there was a retest of that.
Of the zone.
Yeah.
Probably we're gonna break now. Yeah, just a nice break. You can go like a bit back if you want. So we can catch. Yeah, previous bar exactly. A little bit more.
Right there.
This is the retest. Go back.
Breaks, retest.
Yes, exactly. And go.
And what I really like too is when it breaks zones and the 200 EMA and tests both at the same time. That's usually a great indicator that it's going to go in the way of your entry if you were to place a sell right here.
Yeah. Take your sell probably. So one bit back.
Taking a long time.
Who's
that?
Somebody's got called. I don't know who.
Stop.
Okay, you mute all. Just mute all.
There's a lot of people that aren't muted.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's Samuel, if you can mute him.
Yeah. Okay, you mute all. Dang.
Hoi.
Ski is gonna happen.
Wait, that was just a big retest. Nah.
Bye. Let's see. Yeah, that's gonna go down. From the higher low, so it's bullish. Probably you should have taken buys because it's not high low. Let's see. Yep. Buys.
A lot of clutter. That crossover is coming. Let's see.
Just do your trading, bro. We're watching. Let's see what happens.
I go for the EMA. Right. Let's see. Overall, it's
Yep,
Yep.
nice.
that crossover.
Good one.
Yeah, I did that despite the fact that he was in the middle of his zone. It is going up, and when that 50 crosses with the 200, the same time that we have momentum going. Whenever there's a cross to that 50 and the 200, whatever direction it's been going in, whether it's slow or fast, it's going to keep going in that direction. When that cross hits, it's going to shoot.
Oh, that's nice. Chase, you use simple moving average on exponential.
It should be simple.
Oh, you use simple?
You use simple or exponential?
It's supposed to be exponential.
Okay, no problem. Exponential was on simple. Was a question in the group. I'm also answering the questions, no problem. So this is a breakout. Probably you should have entered 2 candles ago.
Yep.
Yep. Go 2 bars back.
Because you see,
Yeah,
you
go
see
2
that
bars back.
there was a bull candle and a bear candle. The bear candle
Yeah,
was
the bear candles retest, exactly. Enter on the retest, full margin, please.
There's the break. I just want to show it. There's a straight break on the.
Great breakout. But wait. Guys, can you go to the 4 hour, please? All right, guys, look. As I told you, we had that higher low right there, that lower high right there, and price found its support at the lower high. So it means we changed momentum from bearish to bullish. Exactly.
Yeah.
And now draw a line like on the left wicks if you want, on the 4 hour, please. 4 hour and draw a line on the left wicks.
Here?
Yeah, right there. So guys, look, that was the lower high, right?
support.
And now we found the support right there, so it means that this means we're bullish. So like the first trade we took on the first trade we couldn't take on the 4 hour because that could have been a major pullback, but now we have confirmation because of the higher low made that we're bullish. So now we can take buys. All right, go take your buys.
And then straight break. And then right here.
Yes, just do yeah, right
Three
there.
K.
Do like no more, man. Just do like 10 or something. Yeah, great, no problem. Next bar, right, great. Take profit hit, probably, almost. Go further, yes. Great,
Yeah.
no problem. The reason why I said do more, because it doesn't matter how much you do.
Yeah.
So it's a breakout, probably that's the higher high. Probably gonna have a higher low right now. It's gonna see exactly. Gonna push up. Yes. You
There.
could have taken the
Look,
trade again. So go back. Go back.
Yeah, it just usually one of the rules I've made for myself is never entering the same breakout twice because I've always gotten a lot of losses trying to do that. So I just play it safe.
Wait. Why you've taken a lot of losses by taking the same breakout twice?
Because usually exhaustion it'll shoot up and then it'll come after it'll break, retest, shoot up, come back down. I'll think it's another retest because it stays above the zone and
Yes.
it'll go up a little bit, not hit my take profit, and then just completely go in the other direction.
All right.
Yeah.
Good. You're sharing this. This is what I want to share with you. You can only take the same trade twice. So that's the reason why you took a lot of losses with. You can only take the same trade twice because I'm gonna show you.
For the last 6 months, always 125, 130. So you just wait, and let's say you buy like at 125, and all of a sudden go down like 110.
Where's that coming from?
What is so hard to
Mute
just
the rest.
wait
Just mute,
till
please.
it goes
Guys,
back up?
guys, if you're not gonna
It's hard
mute
because
yourself,
you're looking at a loss.
Chase, can you mute everyone?
can you mute everybody,
Like,
please? Dang, man.
yeah, perfect.
Kevin, can we hear you?
Yeah, you gotta unmute Kevin. He's the
Thank you.
Forex.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna end the webinar if guys keep talking through the webinar. I'm sorry, but we cannot train together or learn together if everybody's talking. Everybody has to be muted except these 3 people, and just please stop talking because it won't work. Please, guys, please. I'm asking this one time. All right, back to the trade. Chase, you told that you only take the same trade twice because of the third time you're gonna you thought you're only gonna take the same trade once because the second time you're gonna lose. Wait. Could you go to no? Give me remote control. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, great. Wait, I want to have something. Give me the host for 1 second, please. I'm gonna show something, then I give it to you back.
Where do I go to do that? Sorry.
Go on participants, and then go to my name, and then just say make room. Exactly. Thank you. 1 second, then I'm gonna give it to you back. I just want to show something.
No problem.
Okay, guys. Chase was talking about this is nice because we're now with 3 people. Chase was talking about you cannot take the same trade. He's not taking the same trade twice because he's scared that like the third time he's gonna end up in a lose. I'm gonna explain this in order. Like for example, we have a zone right here. We were in a buy, right? It was EJ. We were in a buy, and he took the. You have to understand that in between this range there are minor resistances, right? Minor resistance and support. A lot of people don't draw them, but you're gonna draw them when you look left. So let's see. You have one here probably, one here probably, and let's say one here. So guys, when we have a breakout and we're bullish, so Chase did it like perfect. We break, he entered on a retest, and he took profit at the first minor resistance. But this is what I want to explain to you also, Chase. Like always, when you have like a first minor resistance, it will pull back, and then it will shoot up. But when it hits the zone, and it will come down again, and it will hit up again. If it doesn't break this one on the second time, then you don't enter on the third time right here because probably then it's going to go down.
Yeah.
Exactly what you say. But if it hits the first time, it goes through. It hits the first time and it comes back down. Then you can easily take the same trade because it's not a problem. But you shouldn't take it the third time because a lot of times in the group told this many times. You can take the same trade twice, because there was like a time there was a breakout on GJ. That's already happened 4 or 5 times. There was a breakout on GJ, and I was late. I missed it. Then it formed a higher low right here. Drawing is wrong. Wait, I'm gonna show good right. So we were here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So on this higher low, on this higher low, you can also enter. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. But because when price hits a resistance level right here to the left side, it will always come back a bit to retest it again. And if it doesn't break, then it's not valid anymore to take the third try. Always do for 2 tries. I've had like trades. This is just the beauty of it. This is what I want to explain. Sometimes when you have a trade and your breakout and you're too late and you see the break is right here, right? So you're not gonna enter, right? So what's gonna happen is if I see this break and I'm too late, I'm just opening my charts and the price is already here, I'm not gonna enter. I'm gonna wait because I know it's at a minor resistance and I'm gonna wait for the pullback.
The retest.
Yes, exactly. Then I'm gonna enter on this pullback right here. So you can take the same trade twice, because now this trade will especially go to here. So you can take profit right here, and it will form a higher high. So you can take profit even later. So it's not a problem to take the same trade twice, but you cannot take the same trade 3 times. That's something.
Yeah. There's a lot of taps in between a support and resistance. Just go ahead and wait for the range to be broken and trade the breakout instead of the ping pong between the range.
Exactly. So you're a host again. You can share your screen again. That's what I wanted to explain.
Okay.
Great. Yeah. Go further. Yeah, we can see. Go further. So another buy.
Yeah, probably, especially with that wick hitting the 200.
Exactly, another buy, and just ride it until the wick to the left.
Yeah.
The upper wick to the left.
Yeah.
Right there. Exactly.
It's gonna go to that because of liquidity.
Exactly. Just do like 10 buys again. Not a problem. Exactly. Display it. Go to the next part.
Oh, that wick scares me.
It's gonna fill. No problem. See, you see what I told you?
Exactly.
Yes. Exactly what I told you. This is what's gonna happen. And now it's gonna form a higher high, and after that, there's gonna be another pullback and another two, because this is a minor resistance. You have to understand. So go further. Your turn.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's gonna go.
Easy, no problem. You see, no problem. Now it's gonna go down. Gonna have a pullback.
There's a retest.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's see what happens. So now I would not take the trade anyway, because this is the 3rd time. Now I'm not gonna take the trade.
No momentum either.
No, exactly.
Almost a flat line, but maybe.
Let's see what happens. No, man, it's gonna go down. It's gonna go down. It's now ranging. What's the time? Probably before it's before New York Open, so we're gonna have a bit push. Let's see what happens. You go. Oh, yes. There's the New York push. There we go. Still nothing. Probably there's a minor zone right there, I think. Minor 1 hour zone there. Yes. That's why we have a lot of problems right there. Yes, especially right there. Exactly.
It'll probably break.
Yeah.
Is it a
Not
double
gonna.
top?
Yeah, almost. For it to be a valid break, we have to break that higher low. Then we can take sells. Yes, right there. Has to break there first.
This thing is just ranging. But see, now you're getting to that zone, the little minor zone. See, you see that doji right there on that minor zone. That could have been a sell.
Yeah, true.
Because it's making like lower highs every time, and that's the third time it goes there.
Exactly. So nothing there still.
But also with that 15-200 crossover, I focus more on that if anyone is interested on the higher time frame, because as you can see right here on the 15-minute, it's not always reliable.
No. Just show it on the high time frame to explain what you mean. You have to change them into exponential. Yeah. The other one as well.
We may see it in a minute.
Yeah.
I would have took sales right there, but that's just me. Oh, but then I forget. I'm looking at UJ, not GJ.
Yeah, no, GJ. TJ.
She's not gonna move so much.
Nope.
I'm gonna go ahead and go for it. That's strong momentum.
Go to the 4 hour, please. 4 hour. Now we tapped already 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 6 hours, so probably gonna go down, man. No
Yeah,
doubt.
that's gonna break for sure.
Gonna break for sure. Let's see.
See if we don't get stopped out.
That's a long way.
It's gonna go. It's gonna go. Yeah.
There it
You
is.
see?
Boom.
Higher time frame prevails, brothers. Higher time frame prevails.
You gotta trust that higher time frame.
Yeah, okay, guys, I'm gonna explain why we took this trade. Go to the 4 hour. Look, guys, we had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. We couldn't break that minor resistance upwards. So wick show that we can push up, then we go down, no problem. This was easy, a full margin trade, man, no problem.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even on the 15 minutes, you see, as Arturo already gave the signal. He said, with every single time it hits the resistance, the pullbacks become smaller and smaller and smaller.
Yeah.
Nice breakout, man.
Yeah, that was good. Long retest, but win.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. You could have taken cells already, man. You were
Yeah.
one trade to go. There's another zone which you miss. Go to 1 hour, please, and draw a zone. Yeah, right there's a zone. Draw a zone there, please.
That's like, well, it's not really a double top, but that's like the last zone.
Yeah, the last zone. Double top and break of the neckline shows into to go more down. So you could have taken a cell right there. Go a bit back. Is that a head? No, it's not a head and shoulder. It's a double top almost late. So go a bit back. Go a bit back.
I thought it would have been testing that 14 EMA, but we were already in the middle of the range. That's why I stayed away from it.
Yeah, but it's not a range because go to 1 hour now. You see? We're not in the range anymore. You see? Can you
It's a big empty space.
Yeah. Could you draw that zone on the 15-minute, please? Maybe.
Yeah.
So draw it on the 15-minute.
Yeah.
You see, Chase, how you took 4 trades and you're already learning without a problem.
26%.
Yeah. So okay, go full margin.
You gotta change your lot size.
Oh yeah.
Retest. You see how every single retest doesn't break that zone? Very important. You see how every single retest doesn't break that zone? It just makes a higher low, a lower high, and then it goes down. No problem.
Yeah, it's the same pattern over and over again.
Exactly. Look up ahead. Same pattern. No problem. Go further. See every single time it not goes above that zone. We're just accumulating orders. Exactly. No problem. Next trade. There we go.
See where we are.
Exactly. Now we're in the middle of a range, so no trade. We're gonna wait.
It's probably gonna reject that lower zone. There's a lot of traffic there.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, all that right there.
But don't counter trend.
Of course. But the only time I do that is at a zone, and if on 4 hour and 1 hour I see at least 3 candles stalling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then one going and back up.
Tap.
So that's a breakout on the next zone, exactly. So gonna take that as well. Go a bit back. Go a bit back. I'm gonna show you a perfect entry on this one. Go a bit back. Okay, wait. I'm gonna show you right now market structure. Above where we took the first trade, that was this one there. That was a lower high, right? Then we went down, and what we make there was a lower low. Right, and then we start and we will push down again. So possible we're gonna make first a higher low now before we're gonna go down. So look at the candle right now, at the bullish candle, a big bullish candle, and after that we're finishing with the evening star. As you can see, you guys know the evening star pattern. You know it, Chase? Yes. All right. So the evening star, it's a bit tricky, but you can take it and just enter like 1 cell on the evening star. Just enter like a couple cells after in the breakout.
Where's the evening star you're talking? Do you mean a morning?
Yeah, the evening star is when it's on top and it shows like 2 wicks to the one to the upside and one to the downside. So that's the evening star. And the morning star is when it's at the downside and there's a wick to the downside and a wick to the upside. So this is the evening star. The only problem with this evening star is it has a bullish body. To be a perfect evening star, it should have like a bearish body.
Oh yeah, I see what you're saying now.
Yeah, all right. So there's the down, probably a retest. Thinking about retest, maybe not.
Sure, yeah. Do you think that was the retest, or do you think it's going to come back up?
No, I think it's going to come up.
Momentum, I think that may have been it.
It might come back up, but
probably come back up.
if you look at market structure and the higher time frames, there's so much momentum down.
Yeah.
Maybe we missed this one. Don't matter. Let's see. There's the up. All right. Probably it's gonna fail. Let's see.
Take it right now.
No,
That
you
wick
decide.
is gonna fail.
You decide. You have to decide. What you thinking? Let's see what happens.
Oh, it's not gonna. There.
Yeah, man.
There's the wick
No
there.
problem. No problem. Great. Okay, Chase, go back a bit. 2 steps back.
94% so far.
Yeah. Okay. Great. You see where your stop loss is now?
Above
Yeah.
the high.
Why you put that stop loss right there? Why?
It's above the lower high.
Exactly. And this is what I told you. If you don't use a fixed stop loss, but you put your stop loss like this, then you will see you will have much better trades.
Yeah, I get you.
Yeah, because now, like the entry now was very good but like as you said, go like one bar back, please. 1 bar back, and one again, and one again. Like you told, no, go back forward. You told us, should we enter right now? But look, if you had entered your sell right now, press your entry.
Right there?
Yeah.
Press it?
Yeah. You see, you used a fixed stop loss, but look where your stop loss is right now. Because you used a fixed stop loss, it's now, it can now be hit because you had a bad entry, you know?
Yeah.
So this is why you don't use a fixed stop loss. You don't use a fixed stop, you use a mentor stop loss, or you put your stop loss above market structure.
Of course.
All right. Now take the trade because take the full margin because for the balance.
I would do 5 lots.
Yeah, just do 5 exactly. Yeah, and then full margin, please. Great, and then take the sell. You already know what's gonna happen, so no problem. Yeah, take it. Take profit. Exactly, no problem. Okay, where we are at that higher time frame. Great. Okay, new zone.
Right there.
Yeah. Wait, one question. Tiago is asking, what does above market structure means above the low high and a sell? Exactly, Tiago. Because we know when we are in a bearish structure, we make lower highs and lower lows. So if the lower high is broken and we don't have news or we don't have like stupid candles or the wrong session, it means that we have a change of momentum. And then we have had the wrong setup. That's the reason why we put it above market structure. And above market structure in bearish means above the lower high or above a zone. It depends how much you want to risk. Great. Okay, go further, Chase. Let's see what you can take. Great, next zone. Late, I'm not gonna answer about that because news is unpredictable. So don't trade news, because if I tell you there's a way how to predict the news, you're gonna ask me, oh, how you gonna do it? But it's not a good way. Just don't trade news. So we broke again. Oh, we broke again.
This is just a straight drop.
Straight drop from heaven, you know. Jeez. And this is also something I want to show you guys. You know, like Kev always leave one running if he has like a entry a bit early in the morning. This is the reason why. Just look what happened. 97 from hell, no problem.
Also, another thing is like why would you even counter trend?
Exactly. Why would you even counter trend? Stupid.
Because look, there are sometimes on the 15-minute there are some rejection candles that look like it's gonna turn around, and you can get trapped like in a long.
Yeah,
Because you're
exactly.
trying to counter trend.
Yeah. Stupid. Probably we're at daily resistance, I think. Show me the daily, please.
Yep.
Yeah. We're
Yeah,
at daily resistance.
support.
So I'd probably only go for a short if that gets broken solid.
Exactly.
And even look at the daily, it made a lower high.
Yeah.
Right. Steep.
Yeah. So even if you entered on the lower high and put like the stop loss above it, it would have hit and like take profit easily.
Yeah, that would have been a nice swing. If we break that support, it's gonna go.
Yeah, exactly.
Ooh. I think if it breaks right here, it'll go to somewhere this area before stalling, just like that did.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Probably gonna have a huge buy now or something like that. Don't know. Let's see.
I don't know. It's gone really far in a short amount of time. I don't know if I'd go for a short, even though that looks like a retest, because it may be exhausting.
Yeah, no, don't, because that's a big wick. Those 2 big wicks.
Yeah.
Oh,
But
No, it's gonna go up, man. I think, or it's gonna go down. Let's see.
I would have hit that last one, but it's right there at daily, like we said.
Nah, range is too small. Too much risk. Gonna push up, man. No problem. Too much risk. You see? Gonna push up. As
Yeah,
I
there
told
it
you
is.
guys. You know why? Because go a bit candles back. Go a bit candles back, please. More. All right, stop right there. Okay, guys, look at the difference. Every single time we had a breakout, we had like a couple small pullbacks, a couple small candles. But look right now, we have 1, 2, 3 wicks, and we already went a lot of times down. So it shows me that the bearish power is exhausting, is diminishing.
Yeah.
So this is the reason why I told you guys we're gonna have a straight hard buy right now, because we're also at daily support. Exactly. All right, go further, Chase.
Plus, the market needs to pull back. I mean, look how much it has dropped.
Exactly, that's you. If you think like this, if you think like a bank, then you know.
Look at that complete reversal.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Even on the 4 hours beginning.
Exactly.
I'm wondering if I should.
So now we could look for a lower high to possibly enter.
Exactly.
Oh.
I told you guys. What did I tell you? A big fat buy. I told you guys. I told you.
Trap all the shorts.
Trapped all the shorts. Big fat buy. Always at daily resistance or daily support. Always.
I thought you can literally like just wait for those trades and start your swings off of daily support if you're a swing trader.
Exactly. That's also what a lot of people do. And this is very good that you say this, Arturo. You have to wait until the trades come to you, and you shouldn't hunt trades.
Yeah.
Exactly. So I thought, yeah.
What?
No problem. Go on.
Now that it's hitting that 50 and it's going back up, I think, well, with those wicks and hitting that 50, it may be making a higher low right now.
Yeah, probably.
Possibly.
Yeah, it's gonna go down. Oh, you missed it.
You missed the higher low. Right there. Bit back. Bit back. Right there. Take a buy right there. Until
right there.
Great. Yeah, go. Yeah, no problem. Don't be scared. Wicks always get filled in momentum. Don't be scared.
Okay.
Wicks don't lie.
Wicks don't lie, man.
Wow.
You see? No problem.
It's
Huge rejection.
That is huge. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's definitely gonna break that.
Look at all that accumulation of orders right at that zone.
Yeah, and 50 is holding.
Exactly.
I'm wondering if I should go for longs again or wait.
Yeah, it's probably gonna break. Look how it's accumulating like on that zone.
Yeah.
But always remember this, guys. Don't trade what you think, but trade what you see. So wait.
Yeah, that is right.
This is a break. Let's see what happens.
Long.
Do we have news? Let's see if we have news. No news. That's great.
I'm wondering if I should go ahead and tap in because momentum and 50 held, and that's obviously breaking right now.
Yeah, you choose, but don't go full margin yet because this is not. Yeah, just do like that. No problem.
There's a retest.
Exactly.
Boom.
Great. There's the retest. Boom. This was a great. So go 2 candles back, please. Yeah, go 1 candle back. Yeah. Okay. Great, guys. You see, this candle breaks the zone a bit, but it's not like a strong break, guys, because it's like it has a wick to the upside and to the downside. So it's not a strong break. When you want a strong break, you want the candle to be completely filled.
Yeah, even it's showing a wick right there.
Yeah, exactly. So this is the reason why Akil said we should have waited for the retest, and on the retest you should have done a full margin. It was not a problem. Yeah, now you can go full margin because there's two. Great, take it. Let's see, maybe it's not gonna hit it. Maybe, yeah, it's gonna hit it. Come on.
It's got it. That's holding. Oh.
You just stopped out.
You're stopped out, I think. Let's see. Yep, you're stopped out. No problem. Happens. Missed it by an inch.
It happens.
You should have taken profit already because look left. You see these wicks on the left side?
Yeah.
No, a little bit upwards. Right there. There would have been you take profit. So it probably would have hit because go back. Go back. And put like a line right there.
Right here?
Yeah, on the wick, on the lowest wick, please. Yep, so you see, would have been hit. No problem.
Yeah, you always want to get out like at a resistance or an area where price
exactly. So
struggles.
also go a bit back, a bit more back, more candles. All right, zoom a bit in. Yeah. All right, guys. Let's say this candle closes like this, and I want you to understand this also. Let's say this candle closes like this, and then we get the next candle. Show the next candle, please, Chase. Yeah, more and more. Like, yeah. All right, guys. I want you to understand this. Like, it just missed our TP, but this candle right here, this big fat bearish engulfing candle, shows that we have rejection. So why would we stay in? Why?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no need to stay in. If we see that we miss TP, why would you stay in? We just go out right here. So go out.
Also, like if you look at the 30-minute, that might be a rejection wick.
Yeah, maybe. That's exactly why I asked for the 30-minute time frame, because if it shows a rejection, then we know for sure.
My bad for not setting that up. I missed it because I never used it.
No
Sorry
problem.
about that.
No wick.
Okay. No wick.
But a lot of rejection. So this is also like, this is the thing. If you trade with like the simulator, you have to always look left. You know, and that's why you remember, Chase, you were at the webinar with Kev. We did the same session where we did like 1,000%, and you asked me why I didn't have like a TP or stop loss. You remember?
Yeah, yes, I remember.
Yeah, this is the reason why on the simulator, because on the simulator sometimes it can miss like 1 pip, and then it can be like a bad trade, while actually it was a good trade.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I've had that happen a lot, so I get what you're saying. That's a good point.
Exactly. Okay, go on.
Where is it? Somewhere right here. Before I rewind it, that may be. Is that a higher? That's a higher low.
Yeah, looks like a higher low, exactly.
But
I would wait because
Yeah,
what
exactly.
time is it?
What
right
time is
here,
it?
it's Friday anyways too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
don't take it. Just go to Monday.
Wait, do you think that'll take me to? I haven't used this before.
No, it won't take you to Monday. Just do it on the change the standard chart. You can change the bar. So go on the stand. No, go to next bar where you were, and then go one left. Yeah, and press on it, and then daily. Yeah, and press next bar. Sunday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Monday. Great.
Yeah.
So change it again to 5 minutes or to 15 minutes. Yeah, right there. Great. All right. Fast forward. Go to London Open. 8 o'clock.
Open.
Let's see what's gonna happen.
Oh,
Oh dang!
What? So you want me to go to 8 right now?
No. Just.
oh, that was a lower high
Yeah,
right there.
this one.
Yeah. Do you mind if I adjust these zones real quick?
Yeah, no problem.
Should I hold this one? Don't. Okay.
So there's a zone right there probably.
What?
There's a zone right there on the lower high and also on the higher low. Right
here.
there. Yeah, there's a zone. 1 hour zone probably. You see, makes sense, right?
Yeah. That's almost a tap to the 52.
Exactly. So you're gonna wait for a break to the upside or to the downside. So now I'm not gonna take a sell right here because I wanted to break under it. I'm not gonna take a sell right here.
That, and I wouldn't take a buy right here either. I'd wait for it to get up here.
Exactly. Great, Chase. That's great.
Wait, this is probably like 8, 7, 8.
Yeah. Not worth risking.
Yeah. There's no clear direction really.
No, true.
It's consolidating.
Yeah. It's Monday, so
Yeah, probably. Let's see. So Chase, you're getting better, man. Goes great.
yeah, I've been working on a lot. So thank you, I appreciate it.
Hard work always pays, my friend.
Oh yeah, definitely. Jesus.
Yeah, not a clue what's gonna happen on EJ.
Yeah, it's because of the big ass drop that it had.
Exactly.
It's kind of building orders to move somewhere.
So it's gonna go up. It's probably gonna go up. Oh.
No, probably it's gonna go. Yeah, man.
Down.
Think it's going down, to be honest.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That wick.
Yeah, maybe it's gonna feel that week. I don't know for sure.
Yeah, because it looks like it's struggling to break right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As we have
It's gonna fill the daily wick.
Yeah, if we have close above that trend line, then I'm thinking it's gonna go up. But for now, let's see what happens.
Yeah, of course. Whoa.
I don't know who did that, guys. Come on. So annoying. Go further, no problem.
Jesus.
Nothing there, man.
So this is a prime example. Like, why would you even take a trade here? Like,
Exactly.
there's nothing.
Nothing.
Right? You see that breakout, the retest, and then it comes back down, you enter, and then this.
Yeah, true.
And then 50 and 200 are about to cross over. Let's see if that has anything to do with where the daily's going also.
I would take sales right there.
Right here?
Yeah, look at the big candle, and now it's coming back, and it's got two big rejection wicks.
Yeah.
Go to the 1 hour. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touches. Every single touch we went more down. Go to the 4 hour.
Flatline.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Maybe with like a 5-pip target.
Yeah.
I personally would not though. I'll do it if you guys want me to though.
No. You're the
So
boss.
it's up to you, bro.
No, it's up to you. We're not gonna. You take the trades, man. No problem. Don't take it if you don't want. It's your trade.
Oh.
No problem.
And also, the reason I said that, because you have that wick down there that was going to get filled.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh yeah. Okay. I see.
So go to daily right now, please. You see how we're gonna fill that wick, as we said?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And look, it respected that trend line. You see? If this is something also you have to understand. If you draw a trend line, draw it on the first 2 touches of the wicks. And if you don't have a close out of the trend line, then the trend line is still valid. So currently, we're still bearish. No problem. We're still bearish. Let's see. Yeah, man, it's gonna go down.
It's going down. There it is.
Breakout. Great breakout.
Full margin on the retest.
Oh.
Dang, that was retest.
You missed the retest.
Go back to the retest, man. What the fuck happened? Go back.
No, not even on the 5-minute either.
Rah. Rah.
It's gone. It's out of there.
It made a retest because look at the wick. Go back.
We called it. You have to take the retest, man.
Maybe that right there.
If you play it, you'll see the retest.
Yeah, just play it, and then take the retest.
Right there.
There it is.
There
it is.
Just take the fucking retest. Alright, before you close, go to 4 hour, please. All right, guys. Look, same thing happened before. Go a bit upwards with your. Oh wait, I'm gonna. Wait. Question what you gave me. Great. All right, guys. Look, the big trade we took before. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. All right. I'm not gonna lie. Look right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches. what does it show you guys? History repeats itself. We're gonna go down.
Especially making lower highs like that.
Exactly, Arturo. Great, you're seeing the same thing. I want to delete this. You delete it. You delete it for me because I can't do it. Great, it's your turn. I give you the remote control again. Yeah, great. Can you delete the line, please? No, the other one. Yeah, also, yeah, that one also.
This one.
Yeah, and also the other twos. Yes, those twos. The two red lines above. Yeah, that one. And this is also, guys, this is what, go to the 15, please. This is also the reason why Kev always enters on the break and not always on the retest, because if you miss the retest, look what happened. So you will have a bit more drawdown, but if you don't, you gotta see a bit red to see the green, you know. So just enter on the breakout and a bit on the retest, and then boom down. Just do it, man. And there we go, no problem, easy money.
And also, like as far as the 15-minute, when price is about to break a zone, you can see the momentum in the candle. Like you just see it move differently, like
exactly.
very quickly.
Yeah, this just was a $500,000 trade, guys. No problem, easy money.
Oh yeah.
Everybody understands this, right? In the group, everybody sees the same thing. Everybody sees it. Great.
Look at that. That's, oh yeah.
Yeah, you see, easy money.
Yeah. Especially because the daily for the wick fill too. That's another confirmation.
Exactly, and we can't have enough confirmations. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I'm gonna trade EJ again because it's full margin day every day. Dang, man.
Not lately.
Not lately, exactly. But
this was what, May last year?
Yeah, May last year. Damn, man.
She moved.
Bay.
Oh,
easy money as well. Because you know why?
Now it's got those wicks.
Zone to zone, brothers. Go to the 1 hour, please, Chase. All right, Chase. Track the zone from the left. This one. Do it a bit to more to the left, more to the right. Great. All right. Go to the 15-minute. Go and do you see these wicks to the left side? Go to the left, please.
Wait.
No, I'm gonna show you. Wait.
Yeah, Kev. Higher time frames don't lie.
Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna show you guys. Wait. There's a zone right here also, but maybe you didn't see it. You see?
Yeah.
Makes
another
sense.
Breakout.
There was one breakout and another breakout. So gonna copy this. Yeah, go to the 15-minute right now, please. You see? It broke the second zone. So what does this mean? We should take another trade. Take another trade, man. You see how it makes sense right now?
Yeah.
Why you should take take the second trade also. Also full margin.
Go back.
Yeah. Full margin. And the full margin sell.
Buy? No, I'm joking.
Wait. Jamie, there's a lot of traffic to the left though. Exactly, there's a lot of traffic. But look, we came down from all of these hours of rejection to the upside. So when we break, we will not break for 10 pips. We will break for 20 or for 30 or for 40 pips. Traffic is away, bro. Far away for days, bro. Far away for days. All right, take the trade. Easy money. Zone, easy money. No problem, guys. You see? Easy money.
got it on perfect time. Literally perfect.
Exactly. And why it was perfect? Because we go from zone to zone to
Right.
zone to zone to zone.
Plus, you got that daily support right there.
Yeah, it hit that exactly.
Probably
See,
yeah.
I think it's gonna go lower and grab those two wicks on the left
Exactly. I'm thinking
eventually.
feel them.
Those and these.
Yeah, because just look at the market structure on the daily.
Exactly. We already made a lower high, so we're gonna make a lower low right now.
Uh-oh.
There we go. No problem.
Yeah, full margin buy.
No buy, no buy.
I mean, I'll do it. Overall, still down.
Daily support, guys. So what we're gonna have a pullback.
Yeah, because of the daily support.
Exactly. Only place where you take a counter trend trade is at daily support. No problem.
Of course.
But we're not taking counter trend trades. We're going with momentum, as you guys can see.
Yeah, if you were to go and see this against all that momentum, you'd think it at the daily. You'd say that's a reversal and you'd go for a long, but then against all this momentum, especially starting on the daily after stalling, you would have gotten screwed.
Exactly. Probably gonna be racing again. No problem.
See, now we've seen two instances where price hits a daily support and it just flies back up.
Exactly.
So that's something new that I learned today.
This is a whammy.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Same thing, yeah, same as a double bottom, but the second touch is higher, which insinuates that it failed to go lower than the first touch, so it's going to go up. Whammies and moolahs are better than double bottoms and double tops to me.
Naked Forex.
Yep.
Yep.
Oh.
No clear direction. I feel like it's good. Oh.
That must have been news. But you see that it's making higher lows right there. That could have been a good entry, but it's at its own.
Yeah, that's a lot of that's a lot of sideways. Oh.
Damn. It's gonna feel that wick. Wickville.
This one?
Yeah.
Thinking for sure. Guys, we should trade together, man.
Yeah, I know, right? I guess not. You stopped out.
Right.
Yeah, didn't take a buy because counter trend, so no problem.
That's a lot of traffic.
Yeah.
Looks like Tokyo to me.
There we go. You're gonna feel the
take sales.
Yeah, gonna feel the daily wicks. Honestly, I think that was a news candle, man. Can you go a bit back? Thinking it's news, man. News. Oh no, not yet. No, not yet. No problem. Arturo's right, man. You can take sells, man. Take a bid sells, like two or three. That's not a breakout yet. Let's see what happens. Because it did close. Like almost. If you go to the 15-minute, I know why Arturo said take sells. Look left. You see it close below the traffic.
Also look at the size of that candle.
Exactly.
Yeah. Right there too.
Yeah. So no full margin, but it's good trade. It's a good trade. We're gonna fill the daily. Let's see.
Should I keep it on the daily and press it?
Yeah, press. No problem. Easy money.
Yeah, see that was a sort of a little retest thing right there, and then down.
Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah, right there.
It's still at the big 4-hour zone, you know. So that's the reason why I took one entry. If it breaks below it, we're gonna have like a big sell.
And here's the thing that I noticed. This is on the 15-minute chart. If you have a lot of consolidation, like we did there, and then we get like a big momentum candle like that one.
Yeah.
More than likely, it's gonna go that direction.
Yeah, it obviously also makes sense because we have like 30 candles ranging, and then one big fan candle shows direction. So it's almost like a breakout. Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah, come on. It's probably done.
Yeah, a lot of taps already. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what happens. Higher low, lower high. Almost. Yes.
Fill, maybe? Oh, and we're back.
Yeah, don't take buys, just wait.
Look at that. No man's land, all of this.
Yeah, exactly. So
You got momentum.
now we got momentum. Yeah, probably gonna take some buys. Not now, maybe. Let's see what's the 4-hour and the 1 hour. Gonna wait a bit.
Yeah.
So it gets above here.
Yeah, probably.
But I think it'd only be a good idea to go long if 4-hour and 1 hour have a straight break, because all of that right here.
Yeah, I agree.
Let's see. Looks like 200 is gonna retest and hold, maybe. Where you headed?
Yeah, it makes no sense, man.
Is that almost a mini Head and Shoulders right there?
Let's see. Yeah, almost had the shoulders. Yes, had the shoulders. But hasn't break the neckline yet, so. Like, this is the problem with scalping, man. You have to wait and wait and wait. Sometimes you don't have time to wait, you know.
Yeah.
Made it lower high.
Reverse and we'll see. I'd take a small sell right now if all this wasn't here, and we're at daily support, so I'm waiting.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think we're gonna break, man. Let's see what happens. Strong support right there.
Yeah.
But with every pullback, we go lower and lower. So let's see what happens.
Yeah. If we break that low that it just made now, it's probably going to go.
Yeah, exactly. Agree.
There it goes.
Yep.
Missed it.
Daily big fail.
Probably.
Yeah.
Oh wait, go to the 15-minute, please. Arturo, somebody's asking, what do you mean break that low?
Oh,
Right here.
the low here.
Yeah, that's what
The one above. Yeah, that one.
Exactly. That's what he means, late. If we break that low right there, then it's gonna aim for sales.
Down.
Market structure.
Then yeah.
Exactly.
So see, like on market structure, you want to take sales once a lower low is broken.
Broken. Exactly. Right there, take a sell.
Week so. Oh.
Yeah. Easy.
Jeez.
Because this is just like a breakout, but then on the 15-minute. Just breakout of a minor zone on the 15-minute. So that's the reason why. Yeah.
We should do like a live trading session.
Yeah.
Yeah. We should.
That would be fun.
All right. Now we have a nice break of that 4 hours.
Yeah, it's done. It's gonna fill that wick.
It's done.
It's gonna fill that wick easily. Wait for a clean break because we have traffic to the left.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why we wait, because we have traffic to the left. Should wait. Not a clean break yet.
Tap the trend in the 50.
Yeah, because look at the bearish candle which broke. It was like almost a doji. So not a good break.
Oh yeah.
You see?
Right here.
Yeah, the shape of the candle is almost a doji, so not a good break. Strong candle.
They came back for more
Liquidity, exactly. Probably, yeah, probably that was the lower high made. Probably is now gonna go down. But we're waiting for the break. Yeah, that's the lower high. Exactly.
Yep.
Yep. Exactly. Yeah, exactly. Let's see. Waiting.
It's messing around.
Yeah.
Made a higher low. Break.
Yeah, we broke the trend line, so probably, yeah, we're gonna have buys, I think, but not sure. Gonna wait.
Yeah, nothing.
Rejection.
Yeah, Morningstar. Okay, here's a question, guys. Wait. Alan, what's your question? Tell us. The trend line is broken. Yes, it's broken. So, what's your question?
If it holds and the 50 holds and it keeps on stalling, and then that completion of the morning stars can go up.
Yeah, probably we could have taken a buy, but I don't like buys right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's kind of iffy right now for buys.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
Stop out.
Yep.
Make your mind up.
This looks better. Exactly late, higher low, probably. Yeah, late's right. It's probably is a higher low because we found support on the lower high, on the last lower high. You see?
Right here.
Yeah, that's the last lower high. We found support, so probably it's gonna be a high low. Now we're aiming for 2 higher lows, and after that we can buy. Let's see what happens.
Tap into 200.
Yeah.
No.
is high probably. Yeah, we're gonna go up. No more sells.
Wondering if I should, because momentum and broke back from the daily, and it's looks like it's about to hold 200. I wonder if I should take a buy right now. That would be more of an experiment, not smart at all.
No, just do the experiment.
Yeah.
That's the reason why we do an experiment. No problem.
Oh.
Great experiment.
Yeah, right.
So that's the high hour. That's the higher low.
Should I buy it?
No,
Still above 200.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good.
That looks like it's gonna go up.
Yep, it's gonna go up. Wick fill, wick fill, wick fill. But wait, let's see. Yeah, things are gonna go up more. Just do
Yeah,
one.
put your stop below those below those candles.
Yeah, below the wick if it can. Yeah, right there. Let's see.
I'll go ahead and long.
Yeah, just one or two. Yeah, probably that's good. No problem. Gonna go up. Easy.
There it goes.
As I told you, brother. No problem.
Dipping.
Wick fill, as I told you. You see?
Yeah.
Easy money. But you see the difference. We took that trade, but we took it with less risk because we weren't sure. So there's no problem on taking a trade which is not a breakout, but you have to understand that if you take a trade which is not a breakout, because we took this trade based on market structure, we saw that we broke the trend line, then we found support on the last lower high, so we made a higher high. After that, we made a higher low, and we bought on the higher low after the confirmation. So we can take that trade based on market structure, but if you take these kind of trade, guys, make sure that you don't risk what you would normally risk, because it's not a breakout yet. All right, go on.
Yeah, that will be some nice buys if it breaks that zone up there. Yeah.
Great, that's a new zone. Let's wait for the breakout.
Very low.
Higher, low, exactly.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's gonna break.
It's gonna break. No doubt.
I guess not.
Probably news. Probably we have news, I think. Yep. A lot of news.
Sweeps across on the 15, doesn't anything.
Let's see.
There he goes.
There we go. Breakout. Hey, you missed the breakout.
I don't know. I gotta slow down the tick. I was just trying to speed up the traffic. I mean, do you want me to go back?
But if real quick, if you guys notice, this pattern happens a lot before it's gonna break out.
Yeah, exactly. Because we hit like go back like one candle, please. All right, you could have entered on this candle, even 5 candles back, but I'm gonna show you why. You see the first time to the left wick on the upside. No, another one. Yes, exactly. All right, this was the first test of that. bear with me, guys. I'm gonna explain. This was the first test of that resistance, right? Then we go back down. Yes. Then we go back up. Second test of that resistance. Then we go back down. But look, when we go back down now, we go less more back than the first time. Then we're gonna test again. Then we're gonna test again. Look, right there. Then we go back even a little bit, and after that we're gonna break because that's 3 touches. You see?
So basically, it eats all the liquidity.
Exactly. Each one was liquidity. I think someone in the chat a couple months ago shared the PDF about accumulation of orders. This is the same thing.
Oh yeah.
Also, if you look at those 2 big rejection wicks, they're about
exactly.
Yeah, right there.
Right
They're
there.
at 200 and it's a higher low.
Yeah, easy. So look what's gonna happen now. It's gonna come back down. Gonna come back down. After that, it's gonna be a retest.
Hopefully that'll hold.
Yeah, it's gonna hold. No doubt.
Come on.
It's gonna hold.
There's your retest.
Retest. Take it.
Take buys.
Take buys. Retest. Right there.
Full margin.
Full margin. You should have taken a full margin, man.
You got me crazy with that.
You see,
hey, look
easy money. Hey, go back. Go back. And now, go back. Take full margin, please. I want you to take full margin on the retest, please. You're messing with my profit now, man. You're messing with my profit. Man. Take full margin. All right, Dave. I'm gonna stop. Yeah, great. Take full margin, please. All right,
that's actually like a textbook retest.
Exactly, and this is what I wanted to talk to you about. Chase, remember you told me that you shouldn't take the 3rd retest, but you never take the same trade twice?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're now taking the same trade for the 2nd time because we missed the breakout. Then it comes back as I've drawn before the webinar, and now we can take the retest with no problem. You see, easy money. Don't be scared, man. It's simulator, so full margin is not a problem.
I know. Right?
Yeah. Exactly, late. It's exactly how I drew it. Exactly. Easy money, guys. Take profit hit, no problem.
You're like 500% now.
Exactly, no problem.
And I don't use EMAs, but look at the EMAs, what they're doing.
They're crossing.
Yeah. Right, yeah, that was that cross right here.
Yeah, even more confirmation.
I love those crosses, honestly. No, I don't really do them on the 15 though.
Yeah, exactly. Easy money.
22 pips.
Yeah, no problem. And the only reason we're at 500% now is you didn't do full margin all the time. Else we were, yeah.
Oh my god.
News. Yep. News.
Whoa, news.
Yeah.
But you see, the news went with the momentum.
Exactly, news went easy with the momentum.
For once.
Fake out and then.
Well, I wonder if I should do the retracement.
Nah, fuck news.
Right.
Well, anyways, it's up to you, but I try and stay away from news.
Me too.
I'll do one.
What did you do? Took sales?
Yeah, on the retrace.
Oh.
Look at that. That was right there, but it did not hit.
That's counter trend. You don't do that.
I know, but it was news. That's the other. Yeah, it was an experiment. I never would have done that.
See, you would have got dragged, man.
Yeah, you would have got dragged.
It did hit. It would have hit. I don't know how it did. It was right on the take profit right there, but still not a good idea at all. I would not recommend that.
fun stuff.
That's whoa. Strong.
It's so nice when, you know, pairs trend like this, because you can just get on the retest and just keep riding the trend.
Exactly. And this is also the nice thing that you now people know they just can't if they miss the breakout. For me, at first, if I saw a breakout and I was too late, I still entered, you know, but then I ended up losing. So now I know if I miss the breakout, I'm just gonna wait for the retest again because the same trade you can take twice. Never forget that.
So do you think because it broke the 200 on the hour and looks like the retest is holding, we'll go up to this next zone?
Yeah, we're gonna go up.
Should I try it?
Yeah, you should try what you want, man.
Yeah.
Go to the 15-minute and see what that looks like. I mean, it's as far as the entry, it's not really clear, you know.
Yeah.
So we'd wait.
That would have been more of like a swing type thing, not scalp.
Yeah, true. 4 hour? What's that? Yeah, 4 hour left a wick to fill. So, can you brush on, please? There's a zone right there. Strong zone.
Right here?
Yeah, there's a zone right there. Yeah. Can you do it until the wick of the bullish candle, please? Yeah, right there. Yeah, great. Thank you.
Oh.
You press on it and press on it 2 times.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then press clone update selected.
Yeah.
That's all?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
Oh wait, you didn't select it though, I think.
Yeah, maybe you didn't select it. So go to the corner of it. Maybe go to yeah, exactly. Yeah, now it's on. Yes, great. See?
Should I get rid of this one?
Yeah, I got rid of that one.
Yeah, so you're kind of like waiting to break it clean.
Almost like fake out on this.
Yeah, this is exactly why you don't take buys based on a 1 hour, you know,
Yeah.
if you're gonna scalp.
Yeah.
There's high or low. Was the high or low? We missed it, but not a problem. It's gonna push up, but we missed it. You see? Told you. We missed it. But don't matter. We will do breakouts. So no problem. Yeah, now we're
Well,
gonna.
that was nice.
Yeah. You see how that high and low made sense? Because
Yeah.
It's gonna fill that big ass wick.
Yeah, because go a bit back, please. The high and low, where was it made? So go a bit back. This is probably the only, and press. Okay, this is probably the only reason why the high and low made sense. But because look where it was made, at the top of a zone.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so easy. If you take buys right there, just go full margin, no problem.
Yeah, even at 10, it's making me impressive.
Yeah. And just next bar. You see, easy. Because it made a higher low, and this is the same thing. We missed the first breakout, and then we take the second because it's a retest. Easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a really good one because it's a higher low and it's a retest of a zone.
Exactly. It's a high low and a retest of a zone. The EMAs are under it. We have no news, so everything is in confluence.
It finally broke and then held. Unlike all of these right here.
Exactly. Probably Yeah, we're gonna fail. Easy gonna fail.
Yeah, UJ is a really clean pair.
Yeah, man.
I've been trading GJ so much.
Yeah, and I've missed it. No problem. Probably it's gonna hit. Then we go down. Yeah. There's a higher low. Exactly.
Higher low.
But I'm skeptical because it's right at the zone.
Yeah, don't take it. Don't take it. Exactly. All right, now we're gonna wait until it breaks the left to take a buy. So I'm gonna wait a bit.
Yeah, rejection down. So it should break.
Yeah, it should break.
But we, like you say, just wait.
Yeah, broke the trend line. As I told you, when we break the trend line, we're can aim for buys. As you can see, broke the trend line, so no problem. Let's see.
Boom.
Yep, boom. There's the buy. The buy right there. Because look, close above traffic. You see, within one candle, exact the same thing. What
That's
happened?
perfect.
Yeah, that's perfect. Take buys there.
Oh my God.
What did he tell you? Easy money.
Easy money.
Easy money.
Get the pips.
Get the
Yeah.
pips.
See, and another thing, you would be up even more if you change your TP.
Yeah, exactly.
True. With UJ, usually 10 is, I mean, at least I personally have found 10 is pretty safe because the range is,
Yeah, 10 pips is fine, man. Just do what.
Yeah.
And I didn't know that was going to happen at all.
No.
Like, you wouldn't have known that was going to happen.
Waiting for the next break. Let's see what happens.
Go to the 15-minute.
Yeah, top first.
That should break. It's got a lot of momentum.
Yeah, it's gonna break.
Look at that.
Same pattern again.
Yeah, you see? Perfect. Drawing of your zones. Perfect.
But you see, there's a big resistance right there.
Yes.
If you look left. So I'm a little weary about it now.
Yeah, true. So
Right
waiting
there,
for
yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Friday.
Break, man, no problem. Probably gonna break. But a lot of consolidation. Look at the time.
It's Friday too. Yeah.
Trap Friday.
Exactly. So go to 4 hour. Yeah.
Rejection.
1 hour.
Yeah, that's what I was saying too. Rejections, the only time I take it is when 4 hour and 1 hour show it. Like perfect right here.
Yeah, you can take it because your trade. So where would you take the trade? Show us.
I'm wondering where that is. I'd wait. What is this right here?
You could have taken a 4 hour close probably. So go to 4 hour close. Close. Yeah, you should take a sell right now. Yeah. Go to daily, please. Yeah, it's easy because daily resistance right there. Gonna take a sell back to there. 1 hour. $15. Let's see how the 4 hour closes.
It is testing that 50.
Yeah.
I personally want to close early right there.
Exactly.
Yeah, you got a little bit of rejection.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Still counter trend, right? Still counter trend.
Yeah, and I want to see a blow through. I don't want like 5 candles stalling in a breakout.
Yeah, just close. Close out. Exactly.
It's Friday, so I'd probably skip for Monday.
Yeah. 4 hour wick fill, easy. Go to 4 hour. Yep. Take profit would have been hit, but not a problem.
Yeah,
Trade.
better be safe than sorry. I would have seen that and got out, but
Yeah, exactly.
good Monday, Kevin.
Yeah, what's up?
I'm gonna go to Monday.
Yeah, go to Monday.
Oh my.
Oh shit,
Yeah, take profit definitely would have been hit.
that's news.
That's news, yeah, for sure.
And it's Friday.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
It was NFP.
It's NFP, yeah, probably.
Yeah, look at June 1st. So it was NFP.
Yeah, exactly.
Jeez.
So guys, the webinar is already like 2 hours. Should we call it a day?
Up to you. Yeah, 586%.
Yes, easy.
I think we showed enough entries.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is like all entries. I haven't been looking at the chat to get all questions answered.
Yeah, I've answered every question when you were working. So.
Okay, thank you. Sorry.
No problem. No sorries, man. You did a great job. Arturo, thanks for being there, man.
No problem.
Wanted to do GJ, but we're gonna do GJ next week because we already did like 2 hours, so it's enough for today.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We're gonna. I'm thinking about doing this every week because it levels up. I've seen now that it really helps the other traders and also us because we can talk with each other. So next week we're gonna do another session. We're gonna talk to you guys when you're free, and then we're gonna do the same, but then on GJ. And after
Yeah, exactly.
yeah, and week after we can do it on EJ, and so we can go further train every week together with the group. Because now we answered already a lot of questions and we made a lot of tips already, so it's fine for today. Thanks for being there, guys. Thanks for taking
Thank
the
you.
time. No problem.
Yeah, this was good.
Yeah, man. All right, guys.
All right, guys. Take care.
Take care.
Have a good weekend.
Good weekend. Chase, can you give me the host back, please?
Oh yeah, my bad. Okay.
Thank you, man, bro.
Yeah, thanks.
No problem. Goodbye, all.